To replace the clutch cable guide in your snowblower, use a 3/8" socket or nut driver to unthread the 3 mounting screws to release the belt cover. Use pliers to detach the idler arm spring and clip. Remove the belt from the idler pulley. Use a 1/2" wrench to secure the idler arm mounting bolt inside the auger housing, and a 1/2" socket to unthread the nut to release the idler arm. Disconnect the clutch cable. Use an 11/32" wrench or an adjustable wrench to secure the nut, and a 1/4" socket to unthread the bolt securing the cable guide. Lift off the cap and remove the clutch cable from the old guide. Install the new clutch cable guide by positioning the cable in the guide, then align the cap. Position the guide assembly on the back side of the pulley housing and secure it with the nut and bolt. Reinsert the Z-end of the clutch cable into the hole in the idler arm. Make sure the washer is in place on the bolt. Then position the assembly and slide on the bushing. Thread the nut onto the bolt to secure. Realign the belt on the idler pulley. Reposition the idler spring clip in the frame. Attach the spring to the clip and the idler arm. Replace the belt cover and secure it with the screws. Your snowblower should now be ready for use.